Let's begin with some breaking update that is coming at this point in time from Mumbai, and this is related to the Sachin Waze case, and there is a big twist. NIA has recovered the shirt in which Sachin Waze, in fact the shirt that Sachin Waze was allegedly wearing inside the PPE kit. NIA sources say that one of Waze's staff confessed that the cop is the one who is seen wearing the PPE kit near Antilia. That's the breaking update that we have for you. Listen into this reaction.
NIA ने आज एक ब्लैक कलर की मर्सिडीज बेंज को सीज किया है, जिस ईजर में जो स्कॉर्पियो पे नंबर प्लेट थी उसको रिकवर किया है। 5 लाख से ज्यादा कैश रिकवर किया है, एक नोट काउंटिंग मशीन रिकवर की है, कुछ कपड़े रिकवर किए हैं और इसके बीच में जांच जारी है। थैंक यू।
गाड़ी भी था इसमें, ऐसे पता चला।
ये गाड़ी सचिन वाजे चलाते थे। ये किसकी गाड़ी है इसके बारे में अभी जांच चल रही है।
सर, कुछ खबर है कि दूल्हे से गाड़ी है,
पीपी किट वगैरह सब बरामद किए गए हैं।
अब इसके बारे में अभी जांच चल रही है, कुछ कपड़े बरामद किए गए हैं।
चलिए, सचिन वाजे के खिलाफ
Rakesh, who's been tracking this case, is now joining us for more on this. Rakesh, good morning. There are actually many twists that have come over the last 24 hours in this case. Explain to us one by one. Firstly, when the NIA says that they have recovered the shirt allegedly that was worn by Sachin Waze under the PPE kit, does it mean that he was the one who was there inside the suspected Innova car, the visual of which you brought to us near the toll plaza, wherein somebody was wearing a PPE kit?
Good morning, Hina. There are many twists and many evidences found by the NIA in last 24 hours, as you said. First of all, one Mercedes car was seized from the Mumbai Police Commissioner's compound, and then it was inspected. And during the inspection, they have found many articles from that Mercedes car. So, as far as the PPE kit question is concerned, NIA has learned that one of his staff has given a confessional statement kind of stuff to NIA, and he claims that he knew that the person in the PPE kit was none other than the API Sachin Waze. Now, NIA wants to verify this claim made by this staff, and it is also said that the PPE kit was burnt using kerosene oil, and he's been a witness to that. So again, this claim of the witness needs to be verified by the NIA. And as far as the recovery is concerned, yes, some clothes were recovered from this car, and this car was being used by Sachin Waze. So NIA believes that this is the same shirt which he had worn under the PPE kit on 24th night when he had visited Carmichael Road, and he was seen in a CCTV footage walking on the Carmichael Road very suspiciously. The story is that this car, the Innova car, had visited on the Carmichael Road for the second time to recheck something, to confirm something. So once the car was parked with the gelatin sticks and the duo had left for Thane, after that the Innova car returned back to Carmichael Road, and in that car one person was seen wearing a PPE kit and walking on the Carmichael Road. So these are some facts which have emerged in the NIA investigation, and they are still probing and investigating it further.
But Rakesh, this is huge, and the question then is, what could be the motive? Why, if indeed all this was being done by Sachin Waze, as the indications are right now, what was the motive really?
We've been talking to many sources in different agencies, whether it is ATS, it was IB, or Mumbai Police, or in fact even NIA. What we are learning is that there is a larger conspiracy, and Sachin Waze could be just a pawn of this entire conspiracy. In fact, as far as when we were discussing about the motive, they believe that the motive could be perhaps that these people wanted some benefit, some monetary or non-monetary benefit from the Ambani families, and perhaps that could be one of the reasons that this conspiracy was planned. But this is still subject to investigation. They have not come to any conclusion yet, but definitely this is one of the many theories that agencies are working upon.
Right. Rakesh, requesting you to stay on with us. In fact, let's once again listen in to what IG NIA had to say about the recovery so far.
NIA ने आज एक ब्लैक कलर की मर्सिडीज बेंज को सीज किया है, जिस सीजर में जो स्कॉर्पियो पे नंबर प्लेट थी उसको रिकवर किया है। 5 लाख से ज्यादा कैश रिकवर किया है, एक नोट काउंटिंग मशीन रिकवर की है, कुछ कपड़े रिकवर किए हैं और इसके बीच में जांच जारी है। थैंक यू।
गाड़ी किट भी था इसमें, इसे पता चला।
ये गाड़ी सचिन वाजे चलाते थे। ये किसकी गाड़ी है इसके बारे में अभी जांच चल रही है।
सर कुछ खबर है कि दूल्हे से गाड़ी है,
कपड़े
किट भी था।
पीपी किट वगैरह सब बरामद किए गए हैं।
अब इसके बारे में अभी जांच चल रही है। कुछ कपड़े बरामद किए गए हैं।
पीपी किट भी था क्या सर गाड़ी में?
सचिन वाजे के खिलाफ
सर पीपी
Moving on, Uddhav Thackeray government is likely to hold a crucial meeting today at around 10 a.m. this morning. Some major decisions are expected in this meeting. Yesterday as well, Maharashtra's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray chaired a meeting at his residence. Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, DGP, was also present in this meeting. This took place at a time when the NIA is probing the Antilia bomb scare case. Let's go back to Rakesh, who continues to be with us for more on this. Rakesh, what more do we know about this meeting at 10 a.m. this morning? What is likely to be on the agenda?
Hina, we've seen yesterday that there was a continuous different round of meetings with different officers. For the first time in the last many years that a chief minister had called a meeting of joint commissioner rank officers. Normally, chief ministers or the home ministers meet DG rank officers, but it was because of the ongoing issue where the MVA government is facing an embarrassing situation. There is something very much important expected, and that is the reason all the joint commissioners met the chief minister one by one, whether it was Joint Commissioner Law and Order or Joint Commissioner Crime, and in fact Joint Commissioner Admin. After that, there was a meeting between the Chief Minister and the DGP of Maharashtra, Hemant Nagrale, where even Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh was present, and this meeting went for a couple of hours, and probably this ended at about 12:30 midnight. And now again we are expecting a very crucial meeting at the Sahyadri Guest House, where Chief Minister would be chairing this meeting, and some senior bureaucrats will also be present there. What we are learning out of this, that some major decision is expected regarding the reshuffling of some senior posts in Mumbai Police. It is likely that the Chief Minister or the state government may announce or take some decision on the new Commissioner of Mumbai Police, and the current Mumbai Police Commissioner can be transferred to a different post, and they may appoint someone as a new Mumbai Police Commissioner, and not just the Mumbai Police Commissioner. In fact, the other ranks are also likely to be reshuffled. So we have to wait for the final confirmation, because the MVA government, especially the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, needs to take other ministers in confidence, and also needs to take some advice from his chief secretaries and other legal teams. So based
this
upon
meeting
that,
is going to be extremely crucial. Some major decisions can be expected. Rakesh, appreciate you joining us with all of those details.